In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to overdraft with SoFi in 2025, ensuring you make the most of their overdraft protection service seamlessly and without any unexpected surprises. Let's dive right in to understand how this can be a beneficial tool for managing your finances when funds are unexpectedly low. First things first, it's crucial to understand the basics of SoFi's overdraft protection. Unlike some traditional banks that may allow unrestricted overdrafts for a fee, SoFi has tailored its approach to be more user-friendly. They offer what's called no-fee overdraft coverage, but this is exclusively for eligible members. If you find yourself facing an overdraft situation due to a debit card purchase, a bill payment, or an ACH transaction, SoFi might cover it, but only up to $50. Now let's talk about the eligibility requirements, which are essential for you to be aware of from the outset. To take advantage of SoFi's overdraft coverage, you must have a SoFi checking and savings account. In addition to this, it's necessary to set up direct deposits totaling a minimum of $1,000 each month. Meeting these criteria means that your overdraft protection will automatically activate, providing you with peace of mind in your everyday transactions. Next, let's explore how this works in practice. And this is where understanding the dynamics of your balance comes in handy. Should you spend more than what's available in your account up to that $50 threshold, SoFi will step in and spot you the difference. For instance, if you have a remaining balance of $10 and need to make a purchase for $40, SoFi will cover the extra $30. Importantly, this comes without any overdraft fees, which can be a significant relief. However, it's crucial to remember that this isn't a free pass. You need to repay the borrowed amount as soon as your next deposit comes in. Building on that point, let's discuss repaying the negative balance. Any new deposit you make into your account will first be applied towards wiping out your negative balance. Say you've overdrawn by $25 and then deposit $500, your updated balance will reflect $475. This automatic repayment ensures you're back on track financially after an overdraft. Finally, always keep monitoring your account and stay protected. It's important to know that overdrafting with SoFi is only applicable to certain transaction types, such as the ones we've mentioned earlier, and not for ATM withdrawals. Remember, if your needs exceed the $50 limit, your transaction might be declined. To stay on top of your finances, you can easily track your activity using the SoFi app. Just a quick look under the Activity section will give you a clear view of your financial status, helping you stay informed and protected. And that's a wrap on our guide to overdrafting with SoFi in 2025. Utilizing these tips will help you manage your financial flow effectively without any undue stress. Thank you for joining me today, and feel free to ask any questions you might have in the comments below. Stay financially savvy.